Are you curious about which AI art generator is better? Today we are diving into a comparison between MidJourney and HiggsField. Both tools help you create stunning images using artificial intelligence. They take your ideas and turn them into visuals, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with MidJourney. This platform is known for its artistic style. It can create beautiful, dreamy images that really capture the imagination. Many artists love it for its unique touch and the variety of styles it offers. Now, let's look at HiggsField. This tool is more focused on realism. It aims to create images that look like photographs. If you want something that feels real and lifelike, Higgsfield might be the better choice for you. So, what are the key differences? Midjourney excels in creativity and artistic flair, while Higgsfield shines in realism and detail. Your choice depends on the kind of visuals you want. When it comes to features, Midjourney offers a wide range of styles and customization options. You can play around with different settings to get the look you want. Higgsfield, on the other hand, provides tools for fine tuning images to make them as realistic as possible. Now, let's talk about pricing. Midjourney usually has a subscription model, while Higgsfield might offer different plans based on usage. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you're looking for creativity and unique art, go with Midjourney. But if you want realistic images, Higgsfield is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.